This is the M1 MacBook Air, a revolutionary laptop never seen before. I have the base model which costs $999, has the 8-core CPU, 7-core GPU, 8GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD. At its top comes the 720p FaceTime HD camera, which has improved a bit due to the M1 chip's image signaling processing. As we move down, we have the thick bezels which everyone hates, even though they aren't that bad. They might seem big at first, but while working, it just isn't noticeable. This also gives this Air its classic look. This laptop comes with a 13.3 inches display, which looks really big compared to most other laptops due to its 16:10 aspect ratio, which provides it extra vertical height. For the resolution, it is 2560 by 1600 pixels with 227 pixels per inch. It's a retina display, hence you can't make out the individual pixels when looking at it from far. And it comes with P3 color gamut, so the colors are really accurate. It has 400 nits of brightness, which is good for indoor usage but okay-ish for outdoor usage. I would have preferred more. If you want more, then you can upgrade to the M1 MacBook Pro, which has 500 nits of brightness. The Air comes with Touch ID, which is really fast at signing you in and really easy to use. You can unlock your device, authenticate various functions in system preferences, make payments and do lots more with Touch ID. The speakers on this thing are wonderful. They are loud, clear, have lots of bass and easily are one of the best speakers present on a laptop. The keyboard is the new and improved Magic Keyboard. I have typed thousands of words on this keyboard already and I feel that it is very nice. The key travel distance is really great, but I feel that these keys are a bit shallow. These also have a very nice backlighting. This laptop has a wedge shaped design which makes typing even better. The trackpad is what you would expect from Apple, the best in the industry. It's fast and accurate and it is a pleasure to use. The build quality is solid on this device. It's aluminum, which makes it feel very premium, and it is surprisingly lightweight, coming in at just 1.2 kgs. It is extremely thin. This space grey color makes it look even better. There is no glowing Apple logo at the back of it. For the I/O, it has two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports at its side, and you will definitely need a dongle if you want to use any peripherals with it. Also, there is this small part extending forward which makes opening this laptop even easier. The fun part is performance. You must be knowing by now how fast the M1 chip is. I won't bore you with benchmarks. I will tell you its performance in real world. For office work, it can easily open 50 plus tabs without lagging for a second, and the 8GB RAM model which I have with me is extremely fast. You can use Word, Excel, Keynote, Mail, Photoshop and whatnot at the same time. For students, it is simply the best laptop. It has more than enough processing power and writing documents, making PPTs, attending Zoom classes, working a lot on the browser is really fast and snappy. For the prosumers, this laptop can easily edit multiple streams of 4K with LUTs applied and render it even faster than a hair. You can even edit 6K or 8K if you are willing to make some adjustments. Photo editing is a charm too, and the performance coupled with the display make it awesome. It doesn't have a fan and hence it is completely silent and cool. It doesn't even thermal throttle until you put a lot of load on it. Even if it thermally throttles, it is still faster than 90% of the laptops out there. If you do wanna buy it, then use the links in the description to support this channel and get some discounts. One of the coolest things is that this MacBook can even download iPhone and iPad apps like LumaFusion or Among Us. And as for apps, most of the apps are already optimized for the M1. And the ones which aren't run really smoothly with the help of Rosetta 2 from Apple. All in all, pretty much every app you need will work on this machine. Lastly, the battery life is, well, I have no words for it. It has such a long battery life that you will wonder when it will finish. I used this machine for 5 hours straight with the browser, writing this video, doing some light editing and other tasks. and the battery only dropped by 25%. This laptop can easily last you 14 to 15 hours depending upon your use. So there you are. It's the perfect laptop for 95% of the people out there. It's just awesome. You can get the M1 without thinking and you will never regret it. Subscribe now if you like this video, and thanks for watching.